To make these little fish, I'll be using this absorbent cotton roll. This is my binding medium. It's 1 tablespoon of cornstarch cooked in a cup of water. I had this sitting out overnight, so it's turned into a gel, but it will still work just fine this way. I have a template that I'm using to cut out my shapes, and this is the recycled cardboard I'm using. We love a theme. Optionally, fins can be added to the sides. They're just little pieces that are added on later. Here are my little fins and my shape. To make my armature, I'm wrapping bits of cotton onto the cardboard shape with some thread. I am avoiding the fins at this time and just concentrating on filling out the bulk of the body, the shape of the sides. When the shape is feeling pretty dense and the sides are looking symmetrical, that's when I'll tie off my thread. I'm splitting the cotton into sheets that are about 1/8 of an inch thick. I don't want to be adding too much bulk, so these pieces are translucent and I can add them in thin layers. This fish is going to have 2 layers of cotton with drying time in between. Once I've got cotton on the body of the fish, I'm putting some on the fins and pressing that down really well. And that is my first layer. I'm going to apply a little bit of cotton to the fins and then set this out to dry. It's a warm day, so I'm putting it outside. If it were cooler, I would be putting it in front of my heater vent. And here it is dry, ready for the next layer. My second layer, I'm using bigger pieces of cotton that cover almost the whole side of the fish, and that will give it a really nice, smooth surface. To prep for attaching the fins, I'm tearing out little bits of cotton. I use these almost like tape, layering them over the fin until it's attached. I have a little crochet hook here that I'm using to press in some details. Once this is dry, these are going to be really subtle lines in the cotton that I can use as a guide while I'm painting. When I'm done pressing in these lines, I'm going to let the whole thing dry completely before I paint so that I don't accidentally lift off my fins. The paint that I'm using today is gouache that I'm thinning with water. Watercolors or thinned acrylics would also work in the same way. I've got some tacky glue here, and I will use that to apply my mica flakes. These will make the perfect scales. I'm only applying these to the sides of the fish, and then I'm pressing them down flat. And here are two more fishies that I've made.